Hello language learners, welcome back to your channel Grammar Genius. Today we are delving into the past simple tense, a key element in expressing action that happened in the past. Don't worry, we will make it easy and fun. By the end of this video, you will be a pro at using past simple tense in English. Let's get started. First things first, what is the past simple tense? Well, it's your go-to tense for talking about actions that are completed in the past, whether it's yesterday, last year, or in a minute ago. If it's done, it's in the Now let's talk about forming the past simple tense. For regular verbs, you usually just edit the base form. For example, walk becomes walked and talk becomes talked. But hold on, there's a twist. We have got those irregular verbs. They have their own past tense forms, like go becomes went or eat becomes ate. You just have to memorize these styles in the English language as well. Now, how about making a sentence negative? Simple a didn't before the base form of the verb. I didn't work yesterday. She didn't watch the movie yesterday. Both sentences are in negative. Ready to ask questions about the past? Start with did, follow it with the subject, and then use the base form of the verb. For example, did you go Paris yesterday? Did you enjoy the party? To spice up your past simple sentences, throw in some expressions like yesterday, last week, 2 days ago, or in 99. This adds a bit of context to your storytelling. I hope you have understood it completely. If you didn't, then just leave a comment below. And there you have it, the past simple tense demystified. Remember, it's your tool for talking about completed action in the past. Practice makes perfect, so try incorporating it into your conversation. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more language insights and hit that bell to stay updated. Thanks for joining us today and happy language learning. Until next time, keep those language skills sharp. See you in